Hello everyone, today I will show you how to manage multiple boards efficiently in Monday.com. Many teams create many boards over time, but without proper organization, it becomes difficult to track work. First, organize boards into folders. Group boards by project, team, or workflow type. Folders reduce clutter and save time. Next, standardize board structure. Use the same status, people, date, and priority columns across boards. This makes switching between boards easy. Use dashboards. Dashboards combine multiple boards into one view. You can track progress, deadlines, and workload without opening each board. Link boards together. Use linked boards and mirror columns to sync data automatically. This avoids duplicate updates. Apply automations. Automations update statuses, send notifications, or move items between boards. This saves time when managing many boards. Archive unused boards. Old or completed boards slow navigation. Archive them to keep your workspace clean. Set clear ownership. Assign board owners and task owners. This improves accountability, review regularly, remove duplicate boards, and improve structure. Regular cleanup keeps everything efficient. So yeah, managing multiple boards in Monday.com efficiently is about folders, standard structure, dashboards, linked boards, automations, and cleanup. Follow these steps and your workspace will stay organized. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the